Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your phone using Google Assistant on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To find your phone, just open Google Assistant by either pressing and holding on the power button if it's assigned, or just enter the app. And now it's on, so let's ask it find my Nokia.
Alright, your Nokia 5.3 should be ringing now.
And my phone is ringing. And when I unlock it, it stops ringing. And that's how you find your device using Google Assistant. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.